I grew up in a very simple middle class household. My father is still in railways. When I was a kid, I wanted to become CEO. I was not sure what I wanted to do post 10th, but I knew what I did not want to do. So I didn't want to pursue science. It was not my cup of tea. I'm a people person, I'm a communicator, I'm a inspirer, motivator. I'm not a tax person.
MBA, you did a 1 year program at IIM Ahmedabad. So why didn't you do the 2 year program?
My only issue with IIM Ahmedabad was that it was a dry state. Corporate work, you can do anything, At the end of the day, it doesn't satisfy your soul.
एक और एग्जाम क्यों दिया? Why CAT?
Microsoft said that this is the most academically inclined 1 year MBA program we have come across in the last decade. When I went into MBA with the corporate experience that I had, I could apply the concepts better and I could understand better also.
12 साल की भावना का जो प्लान्स था, अब 32 साल की भावना के प्लान्स अलग हो गए.
Controversial topic. I was depressed for 4 months.
Thirty-two-year-old Bhavna has a very different opinion from 12-year-old.
MBA was always on my cards. Storytelling is my forte. Nobody does it better than me. Okay, I'm just going to be not even humble about it anymore. Impacting people gives me the biggest happiness ever.
You've done CA, you've done an insurance exam, you've been promoted, and you're married. Now you're writing GMAT. अभी भी नहीं समझ आया.
But I think that's what life is, right? You expect something, plan something, you end up somewhere else. But I always wanted something, reputed and worth considering. So CA was like the ultimate option left.
What's the current score that will get someone into an IIM Ahmedabad, any of the top IIMs, Blackies?
And traveling made me realize that maybe we are really not meant to be sitting in cubicles for 14 hours a day. So I was like, okay, I studied enough. Let me work for some time, get some experience, and then figure out MBA. Technology is moving so fast, and the syllabus of colleges has not changed much. So if you are not teaching AI and tech and all like really hardcore, by the time you graduate after 2 years, everything has changed. Because the minimum work ex required for the 1 year MBA is 5 years. I'm a very passionate and enthusiastic person and by nature, and tax does not inspire any of those emotions in me.
Bhavna, when you said 2-3 hour lunch breaks, I immediately visualized government office जहाँ पर ताश चल रही होगी, ठीक है, आराम से phone is off the receiver.
Firstly, I had missed college life, right? CA people do not live college life. My husband has being my biggest cheerleader in all of my entire journey. Nothing would have happened, of course, if his support was not there. But when I got into IIM Ahmedabad, I was like, oh my god, this is it. This is it for me.
हाँ यार, यही करते हैं और कुछ तो लाइफ में होगा नहीं, MBA ही करते हैं.
I think I would have cried twice a week almost in that sitting in my dorm because I was like, oh my god, this is going beyond my head. I can't be the girl, give 7 attempts, 8 attempts, and your 4 years of your life have gone by. You don't realize it. I've slept in office, I have had 14 hours, 8 days, 18-hour days. It was insane. They don't think you're human beings. Very, very bluntly, if I have to say it. They just like want the work done. It was very difficult for them to take orders from a 25-year-old girl. Yeah. I mean, I know anybody, especially males, and in that kind of environment, it's very difficult. And I realized by so much time in corporate that if you want to really excel in something, you need to build expertise in an industry, right?
Did you get to live on campus with your husband, or did you have to live outside campus?
IIM Ahmedabad forms a Cindy of 10 random people, and that's a group. You are supposed to be with your Cindy for the rest of the year.
So is it true that there is no liquor available in Ahmedabad?
In fact, ours was the batch where Microsoft took the maximum people in our year.
What was the average salary?
I was the first person to get placed in the batch.
Citibank को 40-50 घंटे देती हो, 1 year MBA को 20 घंटे देती हो, तो हस्बैंड के लिए तो कोई टाइम ही नहीं बचा. परिवार के लिए क्या टाइम है?
Don't plan your life. Just take it day by day. Try to find something you're passionate about.
12-year-old Bhavna, you had dreams of being CEO, CTO, CFO. मतलब मुझे तो ऐसे लगता था कि typical 8-year-old का ambition होता है, I will be ice cream person, I will be ice cream man, I will be train driver, bus driver.
India works on jugaad, so why are you extending it? Why are you keeping dates after dates? Just get it done. Give it some money, get it done.